In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Mailchimp to Wix. This process will help you connect your Wix website with Mailchimp so you can manage your marketing contacts and keep your email marketing tools connected to your site. Follow along carefully and take your time with each screen because the connection process may open a few different pages or prompts along the way. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp for Wix integration page. This is the page where the official connection between Mailchimp and Wix is started. Make sure you are using the correct integration page because that helps ensure you are connecting through the supported Mailchimp and Wix setup instead of using an unrelated third-party option. Once the page loads, take a moment to review what is shown on screen. You should see information about the Mailchimp and Wix integration along with an option to begin connecting the two services. When you are ready, click Connect and Continue. This button starts the setup process and sends you into the authorization flow. In simple terms, this is where Wix and Mailchimp begin asking for permission to communicate with each other. After you click it, the page may load for a few moments, so allow it time to redirect. If a new tab or pop-up opens, keep it open because it is part of the connection process. Next, you will need to log in to your Wix account. Enter your Wix login details on the secure Wix sign-in page. If you are already logged in, Wix may skip this part and take you directly to the next screen. Make sure you are signing in to the Wix account that contains the website you want to connect to Mailchimp. If you have more than one Wix account, this is an important moment to double-check that you are using the correct one. Avoid showing any private login information on screen if you are recording this process. After you are signed in, Wix will show a permissions or installation screen. On this screen, click Agree and Add. This confirms that you want to add the Mailchimp integration to your Wix account. The permission screen is important because it explains what the integration needs access to in order to work properly. Take a brief moment to look over the information, then continue by selecting Agree and Add. Once you do that, Wix will begin adding the integration and moving you forward in the setup. Now follow the prompts to link your Mailchimp account. The prompts may ask you to sign in to Mailchimp, confirm your account, or approve access between Wix and Mailchimp. Continue through each screen as it appears. If you are already signed in to Mailchimp, you may only need to confirm the connection. If you are not signed in, enter your Mailchimp login information on the secure Mailchimp page. Again, make sure you do not display any private information while doing this. The goal here is simply to authorize Wix and Mailchimp to work together. Once the accounts are linked, you will move into the data sync settings. This is where you decide how information should sync between Wix and Mailchimp. Review the available options carefully. These settings control how contact or customer information is shared between the two platforms. Choose the sync settings that match how you want your Wix site and Mailchimp account to work together. If you are unsure, take a moment to read the descriptions on the screen before continuing. After the data sync settings are configured, click Sync Now. This starts the first sync between Wix and Mailchimp. Depending on how much information is being shared, the sync may take a little time to complete. Wait for the confirmation or status message on screen, and make sure the connection finishes successfully before closing the page. Once the sync is complete, Mailchimp is connected to Wix and your selected data sync settings are active. From here, you can continue managing your contacts and marketing tools through the connected accounts. And that is all there is to it.